If you're watching this video, chances are you're struggling to get more views on your videos. Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you some secret algorithm hacks that will help you get more views on your videos and grow your channel like never before. 1. Understanding the YouTube algorithm. First, let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. It's a complex system that's constantly evolving, but there are a few key factors that determine where your videos rank on the platform. Watch time, engagement, and relevancy are all critical factors. Essentially, the algorithm rewards videos that keep viewers watching, engage with viewers through likes, comments, and shares, and are relevant to their interests. 2. Optimize your video metadata. Now that you understand how the algorithm works, let's dive into one of the most critical elements of ranking well on YouTube: optimizing your video metadata. This includes your video title, description, and tags. The title should be concise, catchy, and accurately reflect the content of your video. Your description should provide a brief summary of the video and include relevant keywords and phrases that will help your video appear in search results. Finally, your tags should include specific keywords and phrases that are relevant to your video content, as well as any relevant categories. 3. Create engaging content. Creating engaging content is crucial to ranking well on YouTube. You want to create content that is relevant, entertaining, and provides value to your viewers. This means taking the time to research your target audience and understanding what they're interested in. You also want to make sure your videos are well produced, with good lighting, sound, and editing. Keep your videos concise and to the point, and don't forget to add some personality to your content to keep your viewers engaged. 4. Use custom thumbnails. Custom thumbnails are an excellent way to entice viewers to click on your videos. They can help your videos stand out from the competition and give viewers a sneak peek into what they can expect from your content. When creating custom thumbnails, make sure to use high-quality images that are relevant to your video content and use text and graphics to make your thumbnails pop. 5. Promote your videos on social media. Finally, don't forget to promote your videos on social media to reach a wider audience. Share your videos on platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to get more views and engagement. You can also consider collaborating with other creators in your niche to promote your content and reach a new audience. In conclusion, these secret algorithm hacks are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to growing your channel on YouTube. Understanding how the algorithm works, optimizing your metadata, creating engaging content, using custom thumbnails, and promoting your videos on social media are just a few of the strategies you can use to get more views and grow your channel. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and effort, so keep experimenting and trying new things until you find what works for you. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up. Thanks for watching.